Merry Christmas, everybody. You know, I've seen a lot of Christmases in my time, wrapped a lot of presents, and I've squeezed down a lot of chimneys. As you may have guessed by now, my name is Santa Claus.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Case, and they blame me.
Officer, I didn't do it, you can't blame me for this. Could you please loosen up the handcuffs on my wrist? You can call me what you wanna, man, but I ain't a snitch. No cooperation, it's exactly what you would get. Till I talk to my lawyer, you get no reply. You've obviously been watching too much CSI. I'm not a crash dummy, so don't even try to talk your dirty trash to me. No BFI. If you were not guilty of anything, then why did you run? Cause you the police, and plus I saw you cocking your and the chamber wasn't empty, it was obviously one. If you think I'm believing that one, then you're obviously dumb, huh? I know that you heard the sirens, you dived into the vehicle you was driving and riding in. Instead you shouldn't be whining, but abiding by the law, now it's obvious that you're lying. Now you can see your screwed as the evidence pours in. The witness to the crime was at 3 in the morning. Gave us a description, so we picked up your boy, and you'll get a lighter sentence if you put the crime on him.
A big celebrity, your case belong for. You a pirate? Why you got that eye patch on for? Funny, putting people in a hearse, what I heard from. Where were you the night of April 21st, son? Home? I think you got your facts wrong. Gats on you, Chamillionaire, Rob Shut, couple cats on Melview. What? We're gonna have to jail you two. In the lineup, don't speak until we tell you to. This the person who Jim you locked, sir? Was dark, kinda look like him, I'm not sure. Failing to nail, cause assailant's another. Leave I see an unmarked tail in the brother. Hit the bodega, not no more game. This chick used to be nice, acting all strange. Like she was gonna get it, pathetic. Assailant caught, now they all apologetic.
With so much drama in the industry, hip-hop police are listening. Be careful or you'll be history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder, murder, murder. Ah, it's murder, murder, murder. Yeah, it's murder, murder, murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me.
At the top, yeah, you already know, nigga, I don't even see you. If you know you get paid, then let me say I'm so can't cool it down. 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 What's up, what's up, what's up? Big time poppin', rocking. If G on the track, bet I got that head bopping. See this beat here knocking, and my flow rocking. If you doubt, I was flopping. Houston, we have a problem. Hold up, let me demonstrate it. Thinking nothing, nigga, how do you being manipulated? Play it to the core. How'd your little lady leave a bitch around me? I am gon' penetrate it. Dope boy fresh, coke boy checks. It's money off the D like Ron Artest. I heard you talking about it, but buddy, I get it. Don't know about you, but buddy, I did it. This ain't just rap, buddy, I live it. Shit to work like pancakes, buddy, I flip it. Oh no, it's J-I-double-G, they ain't got no post. I'm the livest in the street. You complain and shit on my ego. Stay fresh at the toe, yeah, you already know, nigga, I don't even see you. If you know you get paid, then let me say I'm so hot. Cool it down. I'm so hot. Cool it down. I'm so hot. Cool it down. I'm so hot. Biggie said Miami, DC, prefer Versace. But if you looking for a trick, then bitch is not me. Get my car keys, get my car please. What I tell them at LA, blowing on Calais. Not very, but she looking like LA. Throw it to me, baby, bet I catch it like a LA. Wait a minute, let it breathe. I ain't talking about me, bitch, I'm talking about your jeans. Open them shits, show me them hips, blow me a kiss in that order if you fucking with this. If so, just know I go all night, ignite, explode. No casino guarantee, I'm your best bet. 747, let's jet in the air. You know I don't care, see I'm just so hot, so it really isn't fair. You complain and shit on my ego. Stay fresh at the toe, yeah, you already know, nigga, I don't even see you. If you know you get paid, then let me say I'm so hot. Cool it down. I'm so hot. Cool it down. I'm so hot. Cool it down. I'm so hot. Cool it down.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.